Good morning, students. Welcome to your social science class. Students, today we will continue the same chapter, Development of Civilization. So, today our new topic is Life of the Pupil. So, students, let us understand about the life of the pupil belonging from Indus Valley Civilization. So, you all can see the quality of life of the pupil was better in the Bronze Age as compared to the Neolithic period. So students, as you all know that in Indus Valley civilization, mostly the people were using bronze for making tools, toys and their weapons also. That's why this period was also known as Bronze Age and as compared to the Neolithic period. So the quality of the life, the standard of the life of the people was better in Bronze Age, means during Indus Valley civilization. They had more comforts and leisure. They amused themselves by singing and dancing. So the people of Indus Valley civilizations, they have more chances to keep them busy with singing and dancing. They also played a game which was similar to chess. So you can just see, students, from Indus Valley civilization, from that time, the people were playing a game which is similar to chess. They made beautiful toys for children. Students, you can also see some figures of the toys of Indus Valley civilization. So let's turn the page, students. The men dressed themselves in a long cloth tied like a dhoti. You all know what do you mean by dhoti? Generally, it's a dress for men, and the women wore a long lehenga with a shawl. So, what the women wore of Indus Valley civilization, a lehenga with a shawl, and generally the men wore a dhoti. Their clothes were mostly made of cotton. As you all know, in Indus Valley civilization, the cities of Indus Valley civilization, mainly they were cultivated cotton. So generally the clothes which the people of Indus Valley civilization wore were made of cotton because of the availability of cotton easily in these cities. They were fond of ornaments like necklaces, rings, bangles, which were made of shells, bones of animals and ivory, etc. So people of Indus Valley civilization also wear necklaces, rings, bangles, and these were made from shells, bones of animals and ivory. They also used cosmetics like face powder and kajal. So you can just imagine, students, 5,000 years ago, the people, those who were living in Indus Valley civilization, they were using face powder, kajal, necklaces, rings, bangles. Means how developed this society, this civilization was exist in our country. You can see the images of some ornaments worn by the people of Indus Valley civilization. You can see their necklaces, rings. So let us continue. Now students, the most important part of the chapter is what was the reason of the end of this Indus Valley civilization. Students, regarding the end of the civilization, the writers have so many thoughts. So let us understand. No one knows how this great civilization, the developed civilization, came to an end after continuing over 1,000 years, means after existing 1,000 years. How finally this civilization came to an end. So no one has clear idea. The excavation of Mohenjo-daro proves that the city was destroyed and rebuilt 9 times at the same site. So from the excavation of Mohenjo-daro, it has been proved that this city was destroyed and again rebuilt 9 times in the same place. It is believed that the cause of the decline may have been a natural disaster like an earthquake, flood, or a change in the course of the Indus River. So students, the main reason behind the end of this civilization, as per the information, was natural disaster like maybe earthquake, flood, or due to the flow, change in the flow of the Indus River. The strong high wall around the citadel of the Harappan civilization indicates that frequent invasions by the Aryans might have brought the end of Indus Valley civilization. Students, as I have told you that to cover the citadel from any of the outsider people from the invasions, in citadel a high wall were there which covers the citadel. So it may happen, students, there are some people who believed that Aryans may have attacked in the Indus Valley civilization. Due to the attack by the Aryans, this civilization came to an end. So that's all, students, for today's class. We have completed our chapter, and from our next class we will start doing our exercise. Thank you, students. Take care.